Hi, this is Shanice Chung, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build funnels. Come to this one here, click on funnels and click on add new. Okay, I'll usually go for classic funnel builder as there are more templates inside for you to choose. So click on this create funnels. So depends on the objective of your campaign or your funnels. You can either collect emails, sell your product, or host webinar. And for this video purposes, I'm going to select collect emails. And I'm going to name it page for coaching services. Yeah. Okay. Build funnels. As you can see, ClickFunnels has already identified the funnel steps that you need, which is 2 steps, one which is the opt-in and another one which is thank you. Yeah. So from here, you choose the template that you want, browse through the template. Yeah, there are many templates for you to choose from. Okay. Right. Okay, so let's say you decided that you are promoting a guide. You can either preview first to see whether you like it or not. And yeah, if it's an ebook that you're promoting, you can select this. And wait for it to load. Okay. Right. Now within a funnel, you can see that there is stats, context, and settings. Alright. Now when you're in the settings, this is where you can edit settings for the funnels. Yeah. And you can also assign domains to this funnel. Okay. So let's say I'm gonna use this as the domain for this funnel, and I'm going to select the SMTP configuration. Let's say this has already set prior. Yeah. Okay. And once I'm okay with this, I will scroll all the way down to save and update settings. Okay. Yeah. You can also click on publishing. Yeah. So if you do not want your URL to have this opt-in, you can change it here. Okay, what do I mean by that? Okay, let me show you. If I were to click on this, yeah, it will show as this email, this URL. Okay, so what I want to do is perhaps give it a better name, like brochure, coaching brochure download. Okay, so I will leave this empty, and ClickFunnels will assign a path for this funnel step. What I do is I click update. Alright, and now you see from opt-in it has changed to coaching brochure download. Okay, alright, so now I'm going to change the we're going to go into the editor itself. Okay, now you can actually manage the elements here by clicking here, okay? Or you can also manage your rows and columns and also manage sections from here. All right, okay, you can manage rows from here as well. 2 columns, 1 column, 3 columns, 2 columns, 1 column. Okay, so for example, you do not want to show this column, you can click on this I button and it will now hide this 2 column row. Okay, to unhide, click it again and this will show again. Alright, okay, if you do not want to show this, click on this to hide and click again to unhide. Alright, likewise for column. Okay, now let's say if you have 3 columns and suddenly you do not want to show this particular first column, again you can click on hide and then unhide again to show it again. All right, you can also change the elements here. Yeah, that's pretty straightforward. If you want to change the image, click on this and select an image. Okay, let's say if I want this, I'm going to add image and it's going to show this as the background image. Okay, to undo it, delete it. All right, okay, now to change the background color, select the colors that you want to change it to. Yeah, and if you're okay with this color, then you just click on this and it will now change the color. All right, now let's say if you already have your design for your ebook, your e-brochure, what you do is you click on this view button. Okay, come here, upload the image. Okay, I've already pre-upload the e-guide. Okay, I've already pre-upload the e-guide. Show it here. Let's see. This one here, I'm going to click on this image and I'm going to add image. Alright. Okay, so this, assuming this is the e-guide that I'm going to promote, this is how I change the image. Yeah. This is the column wise. You can change settings like this. If you do not like black, you can change it to white. Yeah. All right. Okay, let's see again. Okay, this is actually a section. You change here. Background color change to white, and it's now white. Okay, to undo again, come back to this one here. Change it to a different color if you wish. Yeah. Okay. If you do not want this logo, just come here, click on this, delete. Okay. Is it okay? All right. Change the text. Yeah. Okay. If you want to change the font, click on that and change the fonts. Yeah. Or change the headline font to a different font. Yeah. Now to check whether how this looks like in the mobile settings, you click on this mobile only and it will show you okay, it will show you how it looks like. Okay, now this is mobile only view. Okay, if it's too big, you can adjust the mobile size. Now when you change this mobile size, it will actually not affect the font size when it's a desktop view. Alright, it's only on a mobile view this font size will be adjusted. Alright, okay, now I'm going to now set this as both to be visible on mobile and desktop. All right, okay, all right, all right, all right. Now I click back to desktop again. Change. Now if I want to change text, what you do is click once again, and now it turns into a blue editor. So you change what Shanice is using to get clients online. All right, okay. So, okay. Now to add elements, what you do is, for example, here you want to add like a timer. Okay, you can see it will actually change add elements, or you want to add new rows. If I want to add elements, I'll click here elements, and I'm going to add, and this is going to pop up. You see what you want to add in. Let's say if I want to add in a countdown timer, okay, I'm going to drag this over, and I'm going to leave it like this. All right, so click on this again to change when is the end date. Change the end date. Okay, 31st, for example, and time will be 10 a.m. or if you want to expire direct. Okay, so this one here. Okay, how about the font size? Yeah, the size. Yeah, different colors. I want to add it red. Right, add red. Or what if I want it like this? Click on this. Right. Okay. Teams. Okay. This looks nice. I like this. Okay. Advanced. The size. I want it large. Okay. Align center. Label the weight. Yeah. Label color white. Okay. No. Yeah. Black. All right. Okay. So now it's not going to show now, but when you preview, it's going to show the countdown timer. So let's click on preview now to see the timer. Oh, as you can see, oh, this may not look too nice. So what I do now is to come back here to change the dates to closer dates. Okay, change closer date, perhaps this one. Okay, saved again, and I will now reload. Oh, it's not going to show yet, so we're going to come back here to check. All right, okay, so now if you want to add columns, okay, what you can do is come here, add rows, and it's going to ask you if you want a 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, 6. All right, okay, so let's say if I want 6 columns, I'm going to drag it here, okay, drop it here, and now it has built a 6 columns for you. All right, so this is how you add rows and you add columns. All right, and you can change the elements from here. Okay, and you can also add paddings, and this will make it go lower. All right, so the styles as well. Yeah, okay, all right. Okay, so it is pretty easy to just drag and drop. As you can see, it's basically just drag and drop, and to add elements, you can just click on this. It will show the elements that you can use. If you want to add video, just drag this. put it to wherever you want the video to appear. So let's say if I want a video here, yeah, I'm going to add it here. Yeah. What if yeah, so what if I want to bring this down below the video? I bring this down over the video, and yeah, so this is it. If I want more padding, come here. Okay, and yeah, so this is how you will yeah, the line height, text transform, 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, yeah, okay, 4 columns, okay, or 1 columns, okay. You can even select an icon, yeah, and it will show up here. Okay, padding 25, you go lower, right? Okay, if you want a border, put a bottom border. Okay, no border size, to solid. Okay, and shadow 5% drop. We're gonna select the borders. So you can see now you have a border here. All right, with a shadow. All right. Okay. Yeah. So if you want this to appear below this, you can do this. Click on this down. Okay. So this is how you play around with the rows, columns, and elements. I'm going to go more detail in the next video on how you build funnels from scratch. Okay. Right. Okay, that's it for now.